Hello, today I'm in the 400 block of West Roscoe in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This is the front door. This is a nice entry closet or a coat closet as you walk in. This is the living room. It's very large, nice, big and airy. We're about 2 buildings from Lakeshore Drive on Roscoe. That's about halfway between Belmont and Addison, maybe a little closer to Belmont. Here's a dining room on the far side. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with heat and hot water included. You see, here's the dining room. Then we'll look back across at the living room. It's extremely large. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. They were recently added. It's a nice big stove. Lots of cabinets. There's the dishwasher. We'll go back out this way. This is the front door here. We'll take a right. This is back where we started from. This is, I'm going to call it the master because it's bigger and it has the bathroom inside of it. This would absolutely fit a king-size bed, no problem at all. Has window units in here, the living room. It's a nice ceiling fan. The far side over there, you see just a full wall of closets. The bathroom was just refurbished. Nice big stand-up shower. The vintage tile. The pedestal sink. Going back, this is the beginning of the master bedroom. This is the linen closet here and one on this side. This goes into the second bathroom. It's a bathroom, tub, and shower combination. Just real nice and bright. This is bedroom number 2. It's on the front, faces the street. It will hold a queen-size bed also. Has a full wall of closets. You have great closets here. There's laundry in the building. Just a lot of closets. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Heat and hot water are included. This is back where we started. There's the front door. Looking across the living room over there is the dining room. Refurbished hardwood floors. It's very nice.